People have a misconception about what it means to, quote, go to court, close quote. Lots and lots of disputes never see the inside of a courtroom, nor do they see any sort of lawsuit be commenced. They can be handled and addressed informally outside of that context between the parties, usually an insurance company and a lawyer, because the facts are what they are and they're understood and the injuries are properly evaluated. A subset of cases cannot be resolved informally, and oftentimes we have to commence lawsuits. That is not, in our view, quote, going to court. That is simply involving the potential need for the court in the event that the case cannot be resolved during the litigation process. The litigation process is when depositions occur, it's when written materials are formally exchanged, and it's when mediation is required to take place. And more often than not, cases that require litigation are settled at some point in time, usually at a mediation before trial. Going to court, in my understanding, or as I think people mean it, is standing in front of a jury trying a case. And that only happens in the very, very small subset of cases, probably less than 5%. And it is a unique case where that is required because it's one where the parties are simply so far apart in their assessment of either the facts of the case in terms of fault and or the value of the damages that have been sustained to the injured person.